Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Hexagonal MEG Treble SFF case. So friend, MSI there are three unique chambers, one for an mini ITX motherboard and power supply, another for a graphics card up to 330 mm in length, and final chamber is for optional specialized liquid cooling system. And friend, on paper this layout appears promising based on their early product images. MSI's overall impression appears to be neat and tidy. And friend, like the all black look through RGB lighting is almost certainly on the way. And friend, the 280 mm liquid cooling combined with well ventilated panels implies there will be plenty capacity of high-end components in the future. And friend, there is no word on the price or availability, but MSI is quick to point out the advantage of the small form factor. And friend, the compact form factor has a quite tiny footprint, yet it is intended to accommodate as many mainstream components as possible. And friend, upgrades are described as effortless, and compatibility with the normal mini ITX port should provide PCIe generation 4.0 riser connection and should ensure that no performance is sacrificed throughout the process. And in addition, the USB Type-C port on the front panel, there looks to be possibility to lay the chassis flat if this is something you want. And friend, this is a positive development. And friend, we believe the liquid cooler and graphics card will receive plenty of fresh air when the unit is put flat, even if we believe the cooling performance will be ideal when it unit is upright. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.